We grade 2, not grade 1.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Grade 2.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Let's start. Okay. In the name of Allah, we're gonna start. Hello, my little scientist. Welcome back to our online science class. I'm teacher Riham, your science teacher. Let's start with dua. Can you repeat it with me? Who can?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Me. Teacher, I can't. Me.
Okay, one by one.
Teacher, me Telefaris.
One. Who's that?
Teacher, me Talia. Teacher, me Telefaris.
Keep yourself muted. Keep yourself muted. I will choose who can. Repeat it with me. Yes, Noor Al Musa, are you there? Okay. Rosanna. Rosanna? Rosanna.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Rosanna. Let's repeat it with me. اللهم إني أسألك فهم النبي
فهم النبي
وحفظ المرسلين. Thank you so much, honey. Okay, let's start. Okay, who can tell me what the title of our unit, but I will choose who can answer. Okay. Yes, Talia. Let's tell me, Talia, what the title of our unit? No one. Right on my screen. Talia.
Is it?
Yeah.
Landscape.
Yeah, in all of this unit, we are talking about the land and
What?
great job. Thank you so much, Talia. Land and water. And the last one, we learned about the local landscape. Thank you so much, Talia. Great job, Talia. Okay. Today, inshallah, we have a new lesson. Okay. Can you guess? We will learn about the land or the water from this picture. Land or water, Hams? Hams? Hams. No, honey. Hams.
Yes, teacher.
Hams, look at this picture, Hams, and tell me, can you guess what the title of our lesson today? Today we're gonna learn about land or water.
Okay.
Yeah, look, land or water?
Land.
Yeah, of course, land. Thank you so much, Hams. Great job. So our lesson today, grade 2, about land on earth. We will talking about land on earth. Land on earth. Please, all of you, bring your notebook and try to write with me. Okay? Land on earth.
Any paper?
Yeah, any paper. Or you must bring a notebook for the science.
Yeah.
Okay, so right? Yeah. Land on earth.
Teacher, what's right?
Write the title of our lesson today. Today we're gonna start on lesson 2, land on earth. Land on earth. Land on earth. Quickly write in your notebook. Okay.
Teacher, my notebook, I finished it. I'll forget. Teacher, no, for my Miss Fatima. Teacher, no.
Okay, quickly write,
My
please.
book.
Yeah.
Teacher, my book is it in the house for Miss Fatima.
Okay, but this, yeah, you can bring another one. Okay, right. Land on earth. Land on earth, okay? Okay, let me show you, or let's start with our activity in this lesson. What about the land on earth? Okay, let's start by this activity, okay? Okay, focus well. Let's start.
You'll develop
Sure, I can't hear.
found on Earth. Let's look back at the video you saw earlier in the lesson.
Teacher, I can't hear.
How would you describe the land you saw? In this activity, you'll create a model of a landform. To carry out the investigation, you'll use safety goggles, an aluminum pan, clay, and a cup of water. You'll create a model of one type of landform for this activity. Before you begin, ask a question. What question will your landform model help you explain to a classmate? Take a moment to think about a landform that you can make using the model of clay. Think about the question that can be answered using the model you made. After recording your question in your notebook, select Continue.
Teacher, where are you? Teacher, no, Victor. What?
Yes, Gretu, what's wrong? What's wrong?
Miss, I'm not right.
You will see several
Now.
photos of different landforms. You'll choose one of these photos to help guide you as you build your model.
Here I am, Naga. Teacher, I doesn't see any picture about this, about
Mountain,
Wait. You can see or you can't hear.
island,
Yeah, you can see.
I hear and see.
You can't
I
hear.
hear and see.
Okay.
I doesn't hear.
No one speak. No one speak. All of you turn off your mic.
carry out the
What's wrong?
investigation. You'll use
Okay, now we will start our investigation. Okay.
clay,
I hope you can do it by yourself if we finish the videos. Okay.
for this activity. Before you
What teacher?
Turn off your mic now. Just listen to me.
you explain to a classmate
Okay.
that you can make using that can be answered using you will see several forms of different landforms.
Yeah, we have several forms of the model. Okay. Of the.
As you build your model.
Yeah. Let's start to build. Can you see this continent?
Canyon,
This is a canyon,
mountain,
mountain,
Yeah.
valley,
plain,
plain,
island.
island. Okay.
You may go back and make changes to the question you wrote a few moments ago. Select Continue when ready. Select Clay,
This is the landform. Okay.
image, and a clay model of the landform. Select Text to return to the table and view another landform or move on. If you need to, you may go back. Use the image of the continent.
Yeah. Okay. Let's choose an image
In this video,
and try to make
add
it.
some food coloring to the water to make it more visible.
Look, can you see the continent? This is the continent, land surrounded by water. Okay. Can you did it by yourself with the clay? Okay.
Yes. Teacher. Page what?
No, honey, not beige. Just look at. Just focus with me.
To build a model of the continent with clay.
Okay, so you can build a model of the continent by clay. Look how to build. Yeah. So then experiment to learn more about the landform.
Around the continent.
Just add the water around the continent.
Add food coloring to the water to make it more visible.
So now, continent.
I don't see it. I am Nagam.
Why, Nagam? I'm share the screen with you.
Use the image of the canyon.
Try to leave and join again. Can you see this canyon?
I can And the
Connection, honey. Look, this is the canyon.
Water to model the location of water.
I don't know, Nagam, what's the problem? Please check your connection. This is the canyon. Look, what about the canyon? Water between the mountains or high land, okay?
Use the image of the mountain
Look, the mountain.
to build a model of a mountain with clay.
This is the mountain, okay?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, can you do it by yourself if we finish the period, okay?
But teacher, I doesn't have clay. I don't have a clay.
A model of a
Okay, try, ask your mother. This
I
is
don't have the clay.
the valley.
Teacher,
after the class. Grade 1, grade 2, what's wrong today?
add water to model the location of water.
Look, this is the valley. Low land between high land.
Color to make the water more visible.
Okay. If
Okay,
Mom
this
coming
is
into
low
school,
land.
I
This is
tell
high
him.
land. Between the high land, okay? So can you see the different shapes or the different forms of the land on the earth now? Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
This plane. Look,
teacher. After
this
this school, I will bring
look at this
clay.
plane. Yeah, you can make the plane like this. It's just a flat area, okay?
Use the image of the island
Now the island. How we can make the
to
island?
build a model of the island.
Yeah.
Add water to model the location of water.
Look, what about the islands? Highland, sleepland, surrounded by water.
More visible. Draw and label the landform in your notebook. When you finish, select Take.
Okay, so you can draw any kind of the landform. Each one, anyone.
Teacher, gain it. I gain it. I don't see it. I in the bathroom.
Listen to me. Okay, now, so now we see how, or we know how the earth have different forms of land and water. Yes or no? The land or the earth have different forms of land. Our earth has different forms of land. Yes or no, Rafa?
Yes.
Rafa, can
Yes,
you see different forms
Rafa.
of land in the last video? Like what? The different forms of land, Rafa?
The land?
Yeah. Can you see different forms of land in the last video?
We have.
Yeah. We have different forms of land. Like what?
Like tea and like green,
Like what? I will explain for you. Look, what this?
water and
This what?
Land.
This one, which is high.
high.
Yeah, this one, which is high. It's hand form. It's a land form. It's called mountain. Yeah, mountain. Mountain.
Teacher, can I come to the bathroom?
Land. Yeah, okay. Mountain is a form of the land. So Earth has many different forms of the land. Thank you so much, Rafa. So Tala.
Yes, teacher. I'm tired.
Earth has many different forms of.
What?
Earth has many different forms of.
Like that.
Of land and water. Of what?
Land and water.
Yeah, of
Land
land
and water.
Like what?
Like the land. like the land,
Different forms of land, like what? Yeah.
like where
Can you see this?
that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a different form of the land, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it's different form of the land. Can you see these mountains?
Yes.
Different forms of land. So Earth has different forms of
Land.
and
No.
land and water. Yes, land and.
Land and water.
Thank you so much, Tala. Okay, Haneen Muhammad. Haneen.
You're welcome. I love you,
Haneen.
teacher.
Love you more, honey. Haneen. Yes, Haneen. Okay. Yes.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Haneen, tell me about the different form of the land, in the land, different form in the land. Sorry, different form of land on the earth. Like what? Give me examples.
Like a mountain.
Like a mountains, like a
Plain.
like a plain, flat, like a river, like a lake. All of these different forms of land. Where? On the earth. Different forms of?
The air.
No, different forms of land. Different forms
Land.
of land and water.
Land.
On where? On the earth. On the earth. On the. Yes, Haneen, on the earth. Okay, on the earth. Yes, Hoor? Hoor.
Yes, teacher.
So, Hoor, can you see the different forms of land there in this picture?
Land from.
Yeah, all. Each one is called landform. One of the shapes of Earth surface is called landform. So mountain is a landform. Plain is a landform. Hill is a landform. So one of the shapes of Earth surface is called landform. It's called what, Hoor?
Land form.
Yeah, landform. Great job, Hoor. Thank you so much, Hoor. Okay, someone is called 1, 2, 3. What's your name? 1, 2, 3. Someone is called 1, 2, 3. Someone is called iBad.
I'm Noor Al Musa. I'm 1, 2, 3.
Welcome, Noura. So, Noura, can you see the last video?
Yes.
Yes, from the last video, can I ask you now? Earth has many different forms of?
Water and land.
Great job. Like what, honey? Give me examples of the different forms of water and land. Like?
Matters.
The what?
Mountain.
Yeah, like mountains. And what? Can you see this lake?
Lake.
Yeah. Can you see this lake?
Yes.
Also, it's a different form of land. Different form of?
Land.
On the earth. Thank you so much, Noura. Someone is called iBad.
Well,
What's your
welcome.
name? iBad. Okay. Raneem. Raneem. Raneem.
Yes, teacher.
So, Raneem, Earth has different forms of land and water, okay? One shape,
Yeah.
each shape from this on the Earth surface is called land.
Land form.
Landform.
Landform.
Mountain is a landform. Plain is a landform. Each shape is called landform. Okay, thank you so much, Raneem. All of you grade 2, sorry, bring your notebook and write the word landform.
What, teacher?
Write landform. Landform.
Okay, wait.
Quickly, honey.
I finished me here.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
So landform. each shape on the earth surface or one of the shape of the earth surface is called landform. Mountain is a landform. River is
Teacher, I don't finish.
okay, honey, I'm waiting for you. A plane is a landform. Sorry.
Teacher, but what?
Right landform, honey, right landform.
Teacher, only the down.
This
only
word,
the up.
landform. Landform.
Write it.
Okay, landform.
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay, so landform.
I am finished.
One shape, one of the
And
shape.
Rosanna finished.
Okay, so all of you say with me, but don't open your mic. Landform is one of the shapes of Earth surface. One of the shapes of Earth surface, like this, like this, like this. One of the shapes of Earth surface. Okay, someone is called iPhone Rida. Rida, what's your name? And someone is called iPad. If you're not answering, well,
Mayar.
Mayar? Yes, Mayar. So, Mayar, one of the shapes of Earth surface is called landform. It's called
Landform.
Landform.
landform. Yes, Mayar? Landform.
Landform.
Okay, landform. Thanks, Mayar.
Landform.
Okay. Yes, Sarah. Sarah?
Yes, teacher.
So, Sarah, landform is one of the shapes.
What?
Landform is one of the shapes of Earth surface. Earth surface.
Earth surface.
Yeah, like what landform? Like this. This is called.
This is called mountain.
Yes, mountain is a landform. Mountain is a
Landform.
landform. Landform. Thank you so much, Sarah. Okay. Now, Shaden. Shaden. Shaden.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, Shaden, landform is one of the shapes of Earth. Jana, Jana, don't write on the screen, on the chat. So, honey, one of the shapes of Earth surface is called landform. It's called?
Landform.
Yes, it's a landform. It's a landform. Landform, thank you so much. Yes, Maya?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, Maya, Earth has different forms of
Rain.
land and water. Of land and
Water.
land and water. Okay, thank you so much. Give me one example of this form. Like the mountains, Maya, like that.
Mountain.
Okay, thank you so much, Maya. Let me explain for
You're
you
welcome.
about the word landscape, landform, okay? Land, so anything on the earth surface.
Are you here?
Okay? Form, like shape or like kind.
Teacher.
So land, yes.
The land, and then we finish. Let's make the with the blade.
Okay, but not now, wait. So landform, land, shape of the earth surface, on the earth surface. And form is a shape, form, shape, or type, or kind, shape, okay? So land has different forms of the land. Sorry, earth has different forms of the lands. Earth has many different forms, many different shapes of the land. So if this form on the land, we can say landform. 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 So tell me again, Hur. This is called land.
Land
Of the earth surface is called land.
form.
Yeah, landform. One more time.
Land form.
Landform. Thank you so much, Hur. Nira. Nira.
Yes, teacher, Nira.
Yes, Nira. Tell me, Nira. So, Nira, one of the shapes of earth surface is called
What's called?
landform. It's called landform.
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 Form.
Landform. Thank you so much, Munir. This is the landform. Yes. Jana Salim. Jana.
Yes, teacher.
Let's look together about the different forms of the landform. This is called volcano, hills, island, desert, oceans. All of these are called. Yes, Jana?
Landform.
Landform are called land.
Landform.
Yeah, landform is one of the shapes of earth surface. One of the shapes of earth surface. Earth
Earth.
surface of earth.
Earth surface.
Yeah, one of the shapes of earth surface. One of the shapes of earth surface. Thank you so much, Jana. Okay. Jude Arif, are you there, Jude? I can't see your name. Jude Arif?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jude. Okay. Tell me, Jude, today we are going to learn about the word land.
Teacher, again.
Landform. Today we learn about the
Okay.
landform.
Landform.
Yes, landform is one of the shapes of Earth's surface. One of the shapes of Earth's surface. Earth's surface.
What?
One of the shapes of Earth's surface. One of the shapes of
Earth's surface.
surface. Thank you so much, Jude. Okay. Nagam, tell me, Nagam. Mountain is a Nagam. Yes, honey. Mountain is a land. Form is a land. Is a land form. So much. Ala. Ala.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Ala. Tell me, Ala.
Bye.
Island is a land. Is a land.
Water.
Island is a land form. This island is a
Form.
land form. Is a
Land and form.
no, honey. It's not land and form. It's called land form. Land forms. Look at that. Land form. Land form.
Land form.
Yeah, again, Ala. Land form.
Land form.
Yeah, land form. Thank you so much, Ala. Land form.
Teacher,
Yeah.
the Zoom take me out.
I'm sorry for that. Okay. Who's not answer? Who's not answer? Who's not participate with me today? Someone's called Ibad. I don't know what's your name. Okay. Haneen Sobiani, are you there? Haneen Sobiani. Okay, Haneen. Thank you. Donna. Donna, are you there, Donna? Donna? Okay, Haneen. So, Haneen, one of the shapes of Earth's surface is called landform. It's called?
Landform.
Thank you, Haneen. Donna. Donna, are you there, Donna? Donna?
Yes, teacher.
Donna, please write your name. Change your name. I call you many times, Donna. Change your name. Don't write iPad, write your name. So Donna, what we learned today? We learned that the earth has many different forms of land and
landscape.
water, of land and water. Earth has many different
Water.
of land and water, of land and water. The new vocab for today,
Land and water.
each shape of the earth surface, one of the shape of the earth surface is called landform. It's called
Landform.
landform. Yes, honey, landform, landform. Thank you so much.
Landform.
Grade 2, sorry. Have a nice day. I will tell you, inshallah, in the next period about the different forms of the land or different landforms. What is different? Inshallah, not today.
Bye.
Bye.
Teacher finished.
Yeah.
Goodbye, teacher.
Tomorrow, inshallah.
Bye, teacher. I love you. You are a best teacher in the world. I got up. I want to be teacher science.
Inshallah, honey.
Teacher finished.